I got one.
Oh.
I got one. Guys.
My God, huh?
Quick, get it in the box. If you like coffee, put a comment down below. Like and subscribe. #Noriel.com.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. So ngayong araw may chance tayong lumabas para gumala, no? Nagagala kami ngayon ni Aiken. By the way, ito si Aiken. Ito yung tinitraining kong bagong provision master ngayon for 2 months na tinitraining ko. So congratulations, Aiken. So gagala kami mamaya kasama si executive chef. May purpose yun, hindi lang basta gala. So iabangan nyo kung saan kami pupunta dahil ako mismo hindi ko rin alam saan kami pupunta. 2 months na hindi ako nakagala sa labas, hindi na ako nakatungtong ng lupa. So, subukan namin tumuntong sa lupa ngayon para gumala saka mag-shopping. So, kasama ko si Provision Master saka si future corporate Provision Master. Yan. Alright, so, let's go. So, open yung marina. Open yung marina. Baka gusto nyo, pwede tayong magpa-renew ng ano. Seaman's box saka ano, kasi open na rin. Ha? Open eh.
Pinakapila eh.
Ha?
Pinakapila.
Ayos lang yung pila, dalawa pa lang eh.
Expedite siguro yun.
Nauna na.
Nauna na. Next.
Alright.
Right. Going outside.
Vincenzo, I have a question. Why there's no side mirrors? Side mirrors.
Side the mirror.
We're going shopping here with the chef here.
Yeah.
Shopping with the chef.
Yeah.
Alright. With the master and the chef. So gagala muna kami bago kami mag-shopping. Dahil kasama ko si Selner and then si Aiken din. So walang tao ngayon sa barko.
Wala. Kukuha nila na yung mga gusto nila doon. Libre.
Kita mo yung building na yun, yung Pasland, maganda oh. Yan. Diba? Pag nagdaan ang gating, maganda. You work in Burj Khalifa as well, chef?
Yeah, man. I was executive chef at the fine dining restaurant.
Wow.
On the 124th floor.
124th floor.
Yeah, man.
Burj Dubai.
442 meters above sea level.
And then in Burj Al Arab as well.
Burj Al Arab, yeah. In the fine dining restaurant Al Mahara.
For how many years?
Underwater. How many years I was in Burj Al Arab?
Yeah.
2 years.
And Burj Khalifa?
Almost 2 years. Yeah, man. Oh,
so
this is our stop.
Yeah, so this is where we're going. Guys, I'm with the very experienced chef in our company for how many years already, chef?
How many years? Yeah,
in our company.
What? When I first worked for Seaborn.
Okay.
2005 I worked for Seaborn first time.
2005?
Yeah,
Yes.
but I left.
And then he left.
This is the 3rd time.
Oh, okay.
I did 2 or 3 contracts on the old ship, the Legend. And then I came back in 2017 again. And now I'm back one more time. Third time lucky.
Yeah. So the good one here. This is the first time I think.
Look, there's some.
I think this is the first time I work with you.
Yeah, first time.
But I heard your
Good
name
time, though.
already
I'm
long
enjoying
time.
it.
Me too. Huh?
You can stay. Please don't go.
I'll stay until May 29th. So
May
we are
29th.
here. 29th. Yes.
Oh, good. 28th is my birthday, so
Oh,
my birthday and your
we
leaving
have-
party.
we have to celebrate.
Same night.
I take care of the drinks. You take care of the food.
Done. Deal.
Done. Okay. Okay, guys.
We'll make some
Huh?
sisig.
Remember that one, huh? Huh?
Nice sisig.
May 28th is Chef's birthday. My birthday is May 21st. So
Is
yeah,
it? Boom.
very good.
It's gonna be a good week.
We have to celebrate it on the 28th then.
We can celebrate 28th, 21st, and 29th.
Yeah.
And I said to HR, don't put my picture on the wall. I don't want anyone to know. And Pepe found out. So he's like, oh, chef, come down to the club and let's have a drink. Surprise! Yeah, I'm like, fuck. And then Eric, the pastry chef, made it's fucking open thing.
It's Saturday.
Tell me about it. We have 2 hours of standing. Maybe we're not allowed to post anything from the ship.
We are allowed as long as you don't mention the company and you don't show the company logo.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that. Wow.
So this is Limassol Del Mar. It's nice hotel, man.
Very nice.
La la. Let's go in there. Oh,
Oh, we can
which
come
one?
back here. This one, they
Yeah,
just
yeah.
opened.
I don't know where we're going now.
I don't know. Thought you wanted to have a walk around and see. There's nothing. Only
It's nothing. Yeah, just go back there. Goya.
sit here and have a coffee and orange juice
Yeah.
or something.
Go and have a coffee. Coffee is life, guys.
Yeah, man.
Like Silnet? Coffee is life?
Coffee's live.
Get a life then.
Guys, if you like coffee, put a comment down below. Like and subscribe. #Noriel.com.
Gabang Larida Vlogs. Subscribe and share and hit the notification bell for more uploads, guys.
Yes.
Gabang Larida Vlogs with Chef Chris Graham. Ooh, nice place, huh? This place is best for me, for us. Ooh. Thank you, sir. Chief, what's the best seller here for coffee? Which coffee is the best one?
You like cold or hot?
A hot, please.
Hot coffee if you want. Strong coffee or normal?
I'm strong enough, so
So
I need
if you normal, it's okay. Cappuccino.
cappuccino. Okay,
Normal
one for me.
One shot.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yes.
Can I get an orange juice and still water, please?
Orange juice and water.
How about you, Ivan?
Cappuccino.
Also, yeah.
The 3 cappuccino, 1 orange juice and 1 water. Yes, please.
If Caristo, they have a very nice cool place here next to the beach. See, it's supposed to be a nice view, but I have Icon in front of me, so
That's the nice view.
and next to the Limassol Del Mar.
Yeah, it's not good.
That's orange juice. It looks like coffee there.
Hola.
So- wow, this is a big one, huh? This is medium size?
This is medium size.
Wow,
But he said a while ago, it's short, cappuccino.
that's okay. I'm just kidding.
It's short.
So how big is the large then?
Little bit.
Like your head, sorry.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Okay. It's difficult to be a vlogger. You have to document everything here. Not everything, but at least. So, Silner, how's the taste compared to what we have on board? Don't mention the ship.
The people.
Is it good? Alright. So you're happy you're in the provisions?
Yeah,
From the
very
galley to
happy.
provisions?
Very happy.
Good, huh? Money wise also, no? Good. I'm not gonna mention here how much you're gonna earn. You know it already. So for this 4 cappuccino, no, 3 cappuccino, 1 orange juice with 2 water. So we have to pay 20.5 euros. Alright, here we go. Thank you so much. This is the, ito yung, English pa ako, lang ako si chef dito. Ito yung area dito sa labas. Ang ganda, oh, diba? Alright. So kahit paminsan-minsan, makakalanghap din ng hangin, diba? Fresh kong hangin. Alright. Diba, Silner? Alright. So style ko lang yun, siyempre ako magbayad ng mura to eh. 20 euros lang. Mamaya pag nanggaya yun ng lunch, mas mahal yun. Siya naman yun, siyempre. Alright. Oh, kas. So we're going now. Okay, let's go. Let's go, chef? Or okay, let's go. So a lot of Filipinos here during the night because there's karaoke. So kailangan kong bumili ng Cheetos kasi dito 1.6 euros lang, sa barko $4. So damihan natin, right? So mahal. Cashew nuts nasa 5 euros. So cashew nuts nasa 5 euros. Cheetos is only 1.6 euros eh. Sa barko $4, di ba? So
Wala concentrated.
Wala. Kahit yung hindi concentrated. Kahit yung mga regular juice na lang siguro muna, just in case. Punta ko dyan. Concentrate siguro yan. Basahin mo.
Mahirap mag-Cyprus, sir?
Ha?
Mahirap mag-Cyprus.
May app ako dyan eh, na nagbabasa.
Ayan, no? Paano mo malalaman kung concentrated pa?
Ayan o, nakalagay o.
Natural, 100% natural.
Ayan, no?
Orange juice.
Concentrated
Orange yan.
orange juice. So, pistachio nuts, 6 euros. So, dito kami ngayon sa metro, dito sa may Limasul. Nga, shopping kami ni chef dito dahil may mga kulang kami sa barko. Saka personal na rin na shopping. Yung paper cups, ha, ganyan.
Plastic, ha? Hindi plastic to.
Hindi plastic. Yung paper cup ang paper.
Kahit wala ng lid.
Oh. So, cheese okay tayo, di ba?
275.
So, ito ngayon si Aiken, mararanasan niya ngayon dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, marami ka pang shopping na mararanasan, Brad.
Sure. 275. 10 euros.
Ha?
So, how much are we going to spend?
How much is that?
275.
So,
50?
yeah, 50 liters.
I mean, 50 euros? Or
100 man, 100 euros. Spend 100 euros for only for the juices. Why we're speaking in English, man? Ha? Ha? Okay, we speak Bicol. Ha? $100 lang lahat.
Itlog, $100 na yan.
Ayos lang, 1,700 yung budget dito.
You only have plastic cup.
Oh, in English din naman to. Oh. Ha? Only? No paper cups, only plastic?
You have paper cup, but
Okay then, take it. So, Selner, ito, una mo palang shopping. Marami ka pang shopping na mararanasan.
Nakuha na tayo ng sample nito. Kuha tayo ng 2 box.
Oo. Yan lang naman importante, di ba? Juice, itlog, sa ating side, ha?
Coffee instant.
Instant coffee, okay. Bili ka na lang din ng ano. Look for coffee beans just in case, like 5 kilos or something. Bili ka tayong walnuts. No? Sarap yan eh. Kaso bibiyakin mo pa. Bila natin ang donut yung tropa para pagdating doon sa barko may merienda na lang kami. So donut. have this Beef curry soup.
Ako ba nasa Cyprus tayo, sir?
Cyprus naman ah.
Naga, oh. Bicol pala to.
Ay, oo nga.
Lenny.
Nasa Naga pala tayo. Ah, nasa bahay ni Lenny.
Lenny. Pink, ano? Pink.
Oo.
Mahirap.
Alright.
BBM tayo.
Okay.
BBM.
Kami ngayon sa Naga.
Cyprus.
Naga? Meron palang Naga dito sa Cyprus. So we've done shopping. Go back to the ship. How's shopping, chef? Good?
It was successful. We got everything we needed and more.
Yeah.
The crew will eat like kings tonight.
Yes, and the donut is good as well.
The donut was very good.
Alright.
And now I need to go to the gym to work off the calories.
Me too, I have to take my medicine.
Medicine? Yeah.
Sugar tablet.
A few moments later.
But it's 3 boxes or should be 4, no?
Let's do this again.
No,
So, so we've done our
Now
shopping.
we remember the fish.
Yes. So we've done our shopping. We almost
Shopping is done. Now the crew will definitely eat tonight like kings.
yes. So this is take 2 now.
Before only queens.
Yes. All right. So guys, all complete.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more uploads. Right, Gabang Larida Vlogs. So this is all the stuff that we got from the supermarket. How much we spent in total, chef?
Like 1,300 euros. Something like
So 1,300 euros in Philippine peso. How much? Icon?
Something around 75,000.
So guys, this is 75,000 pesos here. All right. So yeah, as long as the crew are happy, we're happy.
Aww. Shout out to all subscribers and followers.
Your family.
My family. Hi.
Ha?
My family there in the Philippines.
Okay. So ito yung kwento ng aming shopping ang araw na to. Ito yung kwento.
Translate.
So, iba yung English yun.
English yan. Yan.
So ito naman Tagalog nito. So lahat ng total ng pinag-shopping namin is nasa 1,300 euros. Pwera pa doon sa personal namin, si personal namin yun. So 1,300 euros which is like 75,000 pesos. So yeah. So now inaantay lang namin yung Zodiac.
Like
Alright?
and subscribe.
Yes. So thanks for watching, guys.
Don't
and
forget to press the bell icon for more notifications.
it's true. Alright, don't forget, subscribe, like, subscribe, Gabang Larida Vlogs.
Like, subscribe, and send me $100.
Yeah. See, you heard from the chef. What you
Yeah.
said again, chef?
Like, subscribe, and send me $100, please.
Alright. Gabang Larida Vlogs. In Cyprus.